Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio 2022 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So go to this website. The link is provided in the video description. So copy this link, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see download Visual Studio and there are three different versions. One is Community 2022, Professional, Enterprise. So Community 2022 is free of cost, so you can go ahead and download it, and you can select the version, whichever version you want, and then click on Download Visual Studio. Now click on Keep and then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Click on Continue now and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, this will launch this screen. Now you can go ahead and customize your installation, so you can select the application whichever you want from here, put a check and then click on install while downloading, or you can select the option which says download all then install. So whatever option you want, and then click on install, then click on continue and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, here it will launch Studio 2022, and if you want you can go ahead and click on sign in, enter your Microsoft email and password to log in, and then once you are logged in you can click on start Visual Studio. So here you can see Visual Studio 2022. So this is how you can go ahead and download and install Visual Studio 2022 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.